Welcome back. We're back in the garage. Now, as per usual, rush. And again, as I think I said in the last video, we're blaming Tom. Doing it for Tom. We wasn't supposed to do the track day. Now we are. So we're literally, I was thinking we had 2 weeks to Santa Pod test day. It is literally 7 days away. So rush, as usual. We can't really afford another breakdown. We can't really afford any more problems. But knowing our luck, there's going to be something. So today's plan is basically get the rear engine back in the car and get it all running. Because we haven't got time to be plodding on, you know, put it in one day, finish putting the manifolds on another. We've literally got to hit it hard, get it done, and get it boxed off. Tom's due in about half an hour. We're going to get this engine in, and we'll, fingers crossed, by the end of the day, we'll have a running engine and we're ready to rock and roll. So this is where we're set up at. So literally, that's ready to go into the car. The car's ready to go. Let's get it down. Let's get it in the engine bay. Start the time lapse.
Like a big nasty V8, didn't you?
Yeah. So it's just turned, I think, 3 o'clock ish. Car's done, car's running, everything seems good. There's a few little things I need to order. Exhaust gasket was knackered, so I need to order some exhaust paper. I haven't got no proper running in oil. We've just put some fresh clean oil in there. So there's a few bits I need to do. So we've not really ran up to temperature. We've not done no checks. So I need to get all them for this week to get it all done. So to let you know where we're up to in timescales, because everything's always a rush. It is now Sunday. We go a week on Monday. The problem we've got is this Monday coming now is a bank holiday. So everywhere's closed. So I physically can't start getting parts till Tuesday, meaning some parts might not come till Wednesday. As usual, always last minute. But fingers crossed, this week everything will go to plan. We'll have no real issues and everything will go good. But again, to throw another spanner in the works, as I said in the previous video, we wasn't supposed to be going to this race because it's Tom's wedding anniversary. But he's booked a week away this week, so Tom's not here this week. So if anything major happens with the engines, I have no idea what we're going to do. But as usual, we'll wing it. As usual, we'll make it happen. And as usual, we will rush and fight to get this car to Santa Pod on the test day on the 7th of June. So, thanks for watching. As usual, tell your friends, like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next adventure. Thanks, guys.